Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm starting off with a fresh, nothing on my face today. We are doing an everyday pink makeup look. Pink is definitely a color you can do for just about every day because it goes with so much stuff. Like this blue shirt, it's gonna match. You do not have to be wearing a pink outfit to wear pink makeup. It complements so many different colors and it looks great and gives you another little, just gives you some color on your face. So that's what we're gonna do today. Also, check out my nails. These are press-ons, by the way. I make my own. But this is the first time I'm trying out some longer nails and I don't know how I feel about it. Every time I have on long nails, it's always, but like, can I actually function with these? I don't know. I only ever wear short ones. So we're kind of doing a test run today. If I don't like them, I can just take them off. I didn't, prep and stuff as much so that I can take them off if I don't like them and if I just am struggling. So anyways. Okay, so the first product we are going into is the Marc Jacobs Undercover Blurring Coconut Face Primer. Honestly, I should be using a moisturizer first, but I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I don't ever use a moisturizer. I do sometimes when I get out of the shower, and that's about it. I probably should use one on a regular basis, but I'm just doing what I normally do, and that's not what I normally do, and I don't want to lie for the sake of the video. So I am just putting this all over my face. This has worked really good for me. I struggle a lot with primers, but this one actually, I don't know, I've liked it so far. So yeah, this one is my favorite right now. For foundation, we're going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Normal to Oily foundation right here. I'm taking the shades 112 and 120. I'm kind of, in between, and I don't have a shade in between these right now. So I'm just dotting these all over my face. I might actually not even need this one. I don't know. It's hard to say sometimes. I feel like whenever I use a darker one, it feels too dark, but I don't know. It's hard to say. I won't use as much of this one.
I probably could have just went with the 120, but I don't know. I don't want to go too dark, because then it doesn't look good.
Okay, and then I am just using a sponge to blend all that out. I definitely think the coverage is a whole lot better for me whenever I use a sponge. I don't like using a brush anymore. I used to, but it doesn't do it for me like a sponge does. Now for concealer. If I want more coverage, I will use the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. This one's a little bit light for me right now, but if this one still gives really good coverage, it's just not as much. The Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Corrector, this concealer right here. And this one's in the shade 115, and this one is in the shade Fair Warm. So I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline one today. This one still gives good coverage, don't get me wrong. And I put it on my eyelids to get my eyelids ready for eyeshadow. Oh my gosh, oh well. And then I usually dot a couple dots under my nose because I get red under there. And then I just use the other side of my sponge to blend that out. And you can definitely add this to other areas of your face if you want, like, brightened other areas. It's just based on preference, really. And now to set that, I'm using the Airspun Loose Face Powder. And this is in Naturally Neutral. I want to get just the transparent one, but I just haven't yet. Because I still have like plenty of this, but I don't know. I feel like I would like the other one better. And using just this big old fluffy brush to pack it all over my face. For bronzer, I am using this Pacifica Coconut blush. It says blush, but it comes with a bronzer and a blush. Here's the ultimate test right here. Can I get this open? I don't know. I'm not used to this. Okay, I got it. We're using this side right here. This side is more of a bronzer, and then this side is more of a blush. And I'm just using an angled brush right here. And this bronzer isn't too dark or anything. It just gives me a nice little, you know, perfect little bronze. I'm sorry you can hear my chair squeaking. It really needs some stuff on it to make it not do that. Really, I need a new chair because I don't really like this whole blue-black situation. I'm more of a, you know, pink kind of person. But I just haven't been able to afford a new gaming chair yet. So we're gonna stick with what we have until we're able to afford it. Or until Christmas when I tell my husband, hey, get me a pink gaming chair, please. And then we'll have a pink gaming chair. So eventually, but probably not yet. For blush, I'm using this May Sundown blush. I really hope all these products are still available. I apologize if they're not, because I really have no idea. Wow, it is so hard getting these products open. How do people function with nails? These aren't even that long. These are a medium square, not even long. Okay, I got it. And then I am just taking this little brush right here. Wow, and I'm dropping everything. I'm becoming more clumsy in my older years. I'm only 22, but, you know. And then just doing a light little wash of this over my cheeks. I apologize for my dogs. I'm in my gaming room and I don't let them in here when I'm filming. And a lot of times they'll just sit like right outside the door because they can't handle it. All right, so I put that on my cheeks and on my nose. And then lastly, for just our face makeup, I'm going to go in with this Stila highlighter in the shade Kitten. This is a really, really nice highlight that's not just super like in your face. It's just like a nice, gives you a nice little sheen on your face, I guess. I don't know. Okay, now we're going to move on to our eyeshadow. Okay guys, now time for eyeshadow. We are using the Colourpop Blush Crush eyeshadow palette. Another eyeshadow palette that is really good for looks like this is the Huda Beauty Nudes palette, but that one is way more expensive than this one. So I'm going to show you using this one. And I have to be careful in showing you the colors because I've had this shade pop out quite a few times and I've had to just kind of squish it back in there. So hopefully it doesn't fall out anymore. But I'm first taking this little blending brush right here, and I'm going to go into this middle shade right here called Made You Blush. And a lot of these mattes have like sparkles in them, and I'm not really a huge fan of that. I just kind of tap my brush, and usually that kind of gets rid of it for the most part. And for this shade, I'm just going all in my crease and the outer corner area, just kind of all over. To start us off, this is our transition shade. I'm packing a little bit more on like the outer corner area just to get us ready for the next shade so that it blends really nicely together. All of these colors blend really great together, so I'm not worried about that. And I'm just taking this smaller blending brush. And I'm taking this shade right here called Cheek to Cheek. And, oh, I just broke a little bit of that with my nail. Oh well, it's just a tiny bit. And then we're taking just a little bit of that and going on the outer corner and in the crease just a tiny bit. Just making sure it's really blended. And now to deepen up the outer corner, I'm gonna go into How Rogue right here first. I might go into this one after, but I'm just going into this one first just to see. And this color has less sparkles in it.
I'm just packing this on the corner. I probably already said that, but you know how to say it again.
Now I'm going to go back in with our first brush. I just kind of go over everything just a little bit, make sure everything's all blended. I think I am actually gonna go into that other shade. That other shade is a tad, tiny bit darker. So I like adding darker colors to my outer corners. You can definitely just leave it like this and not have such a deeper outer corner, but I'm going to into this blush wine color and just putting just a little bit of that in the outer corner, not much at all. All right, that's good enough for that. Now I'm going to go into this Blossom Up shade right here. It's kind of a pinky goldish shade, and I'm just taking that on my finger. It's gonna be harder putting eyeshadows on my eye with my finger because of these nails, but we're gonna try it. Look at that color. That is so pretty. It's one of my favorite shades. So that is just gonna go on the middle of the lid, kind of in the inner part just a little bit, as much as I can get it. I may not even really be able to get it much on the outer part, or I mean the inner part. And then also just using your fingers to kind of blend it out just a little bit, you know, blend these colors together. Now I'm taking the shade Enamored and I'm just putting that on the inner part of the lid that we didn't get with the other shade. If I can get to the inner part of my lid. I'm struggling getting to the inner part of my lid, so I'm gonna have to use a brush. I'm just gonna wipe this one off real quick. This one's the one I use with my darker colors, but I think I can use it with this okay. But I usually use my finger for this. I usually get better color payoff when I do it, and it just, I don't know, it always seems more sparkly, and that's what I like. And then I'm using the shade Pop a Bottle, which is the Super Shock Shadow. And that is going to go in my inner corners, which you could also use whatever highlight that you're using too. That's always a good choice. All right, now for a mascara. I've been using the All Night Bender Black Extreme Lash Mascara by Rockins Cosmetics right here. I got this in an Ipsy bag and I've really been loving it. But when I'm not using this, I'm using my CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume Mascara. This one works really good, but I've really been loving this one, so this is the one I'm gonna go with today. It just really, wow, I already got a spot under my eye. It just really makes my lashes really long, and I love it. That's what we're here for. I just got this on my chair. It always takes me ages to do my mascara because I want my eyelashes to be like super long, and I refuse to wear lashes out because they irritate my eyes whenever I do that. I'll wear lashes for pictures sometimes when I'm doing like makeup pictures, but when I am just doing like some everyday makeup stuff and, you know, going out. All right, guys, actually, hold up, I forgot. I was about to completely end the video. I forgot my Alamar Cosmetics lip gloss in the shade Birthday Suit. This lip gloss is absolutely gorgeous. I cannot do this pink makeup look without using this lip gloss because it's literally the best. So let me slap this on my lips real quick. I don't know if you can see the sparkles or not. I don't know if the camera is gonna pick it up, but it's gorgeous. And this is the final makeup look. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you try this out. Let me know if you wear pink makeup on a regular basis. I definitely do. I love it. I think it looks great. Brings a little something different for everyday looks. I mean, I still switch it up with other colors, but you know, it's cute. And let me know if you like my nails. I actually have an Etsy for my nails, I want to make a video just about like my nails, because honestly, I don't go to the salon anymore. I just make my own nails because I can make whatever I want, wear them for however long I want, and then reuse them however many times I want. It's really the best. So, but I'll probably make a video on them eventually, but I'll link my Etsy just in case you're curious. And if you have any questions about it, just ask me. I'll be honest with you. I'm not gonna lie about it, anything, because you know, it's whatever. I don't know. But anyways, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this makeup look, and I will see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.